beneficiaries. I just have one word to all of us, that success is always sweet when you share that bread with someone else. Therefore, our mom paid our bills in hospitals. There are so many people that our mom touched. From the students who are about to drop out, from the students in secondary schools, from the churches. We have seen her pay bills to different hospitals like Kenyatta, Mama Lucy, several places. She has bought motorbikes for so many people. Yes. And therefore, I'll just read a tribute about Mom. As we gather in remembrance of a remarkable woman who touched our lives in immeasurable ways, we, the beneficiary of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike Foundation, come together to express our heartfelt gratitude to Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's dedication to education and our unwavering support that have paved the way for countless dreams and flourish. In tributes, we share our stories of transformation and honor of a woman whose foundation made our dedication, aspiration, businesses, lives to be a success. We are who we are today because of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike.
Madam Lizzie Wanyoike was more than a benefactor. She was a beacon of hope for those of us who might not have seen a way forward in pursuing our education. Her foundation became a lighthouse, guiding us through financial challenges and ensuring that education, the key to our future, remained within reach. Madam Lizzie believes in the transformative power of education, was the driving force behind her foundation. Through her generosity, she not only provided financial assistance, but also empowered us to dream beyond our circumstances. Her support wasn't just about finding it was about instilling the confidence that education could break the chains of limitation.
Daktari Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation went beyond monetary assistance. It extended a compassionate hand that lifted us during moments of doubt. Her genuine interest in our academic and personal well-being created a support system that transcended financial aid. We were not just recipients, we were embraced as part of a larger family, and our foundation became a symbol of solidarity and encouragement. Today, as beneficiaries of Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation, we stand as living testimonies to the impact of her philanthropy. From classroom to careers, her investment in our education has borne fruits, enabling us to pursue our passion, contribute to society, and strive for a brighter future. In expressing our gratitude, words often feel inadequate to capture the anonymity of the impact Madam Lizzie had on our lives. Her foundation wasn't just funding education, it was investing in human potential, resilience, and the belief that every student, regardless of her financial constraints, deserves the chance to shine.
Madam Lizzie Wanyoike's foundation remains a living legacy, shaping futures and inspiring dreams. As beneficiaries, we carry her spirit forward, committed to making the most of the opportunities she provided. Madam Lizzie, your kindness and dedication have transformed lives, and we are eternally grateful for the gift of education you bestowed upon us. Rest in peace, Ma'am. knowing that your legacy lives in the success of those you supported. Rest in peace, Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. Thank you.
Thank you. Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Thank you Lizzie Wanyoike, beneficiaries or scholarship. Next I'll call upon Lizzie Wanyoike preparatory representative and
Nionapo amani kama shwari, au niona hapo shida, kwa mambo yote nitajipa moyo, kwani Kristo ameona unyonge wangu.
Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Nisha in grade 8 from Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory and Senior School. I wish to make a tribute to Madam Lizzie Wanyoike, the fallen heroine. Madam living, no phase, era, and time to look back at the memories we all had. Heavens gained handsomely, a mother to all of us, a sweet grandmother to all the children, a